Derek! Hello?
Nice jacket.
Yeah.
Wow, it's nice. It's really nice. Wow, the jacket.
Yes, it's new. I think I had a mini midlife crisis.
Midlife crisis. Are you planning to live until you are 500 years old?
I'm only 68, love. I'm only 68. Is Derek here? Derek is here.
Midlife crisis at 68. I must be an infant if you are going through midlife crisis.
Well, that's not very Christian, is it? Not very kind.
It is nice. I like the colour. Is it leather? Real leather?
Do you know, it's one of those, it is leather. It is leather. It's a soft leather, isn't it?
I thought you were a vegetarian.
Yeah, well, it was dead, wasn't it, when it was made? I didn't, yeah. Well, I like it. It's tasteful, isn't it?
I don't know about tasteful, but...
Please subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos. Subscription is free. Mahala.